Hey, it's Ryan from Foxtech, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps on your iPhone using Face ID in iOS 18. Apple has made it easier to secure specific apps, and I'll walk you through the steps to do that. Let's get straight into it. First, before you can lock apps with Face ID, you need to make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 or later. If you're not sure what version you're running, just head to the Settings app, tap on *General*, and select Software Update. If you're not on iOS 18 yet, go ahead and update, as this feature is only available from iOS 18 onwards. Once you're updated, locking an app is simple. For example, if you want to lock Instagram, tap and hold the Instagram app icon until a menu pops up. From there, select the option that says Require Face ID. Now, whenever you or anyone else tries to open Instagram, Face ID or your iPhone passcode will be required to access the app. This process works across a variety of apps like Photos, Messenger, TikTok, and many more. Essentially, you can lock almost any app on your iPhone with the same method. It's important to note that this feature uses the same Face ID or passcode that you already have set up for unlocking your phone. There's no way to set a separate password for individual apps at this time. So, if you were hoping to lock Instagram with a different passcode than your phone's, unfortunately, that's not an option in iOS 18. It's possible that Apple could add this in the future, but for now, it all runs through your main Face ID or phone passcode. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions you might have in the comments. See you later.